Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. So welcome to the next lecture of this particular computer vision, and here we are going to discuss about histogram equalization versus histogram matching. So if we talk about histogram equalization, you already know that histogram equalization is to produce an output image that has flattened histogram. So it automatically enhances the contrast by redistributing the intensity levels and intensity values so that the output of the histogram becomes approximately uniform. In previous some sessions, we have discussed about the histogram equalization in very much detail, right? And the key idea of histogram equalization is all about it use the cumulative distribution function of the input images as a transformative function, and no external references are needed there, right? And you know that we have discussed the algorithm also there, that first calculate the intensity level of each pixel, then calculate PMF, then CDF, then multiply CDF value with L minus 1, and then assign the new levels to it. So basically, if I talk about histogram equalization, they are fully automatic. They improve the global contrast of the image. Output histogram is approximately flat, and it can over enhance the noise or distort the brightness also, right? And normally we use it for the low contrast images. We use it for medical imaging, for example, X-rays, MRIs, right? And we can use it for pre-processing for edge detection and image segmentation tasks. Now, if I talk about the particular histogram matching, if I talk about the image histogram matching, then histogram matching is going to transform the image so that the histogram matches a specific target histogram. So for example, it can use two CDFs, CDF of the input image and a CDF of the reference or target image. Basically, here we are having controlled transformation. It requires basically the references of the histogram or the image, because the output histogram is going to exactly match the desired shape. So whenever our target is to just match the shape of histogram with the desired one, then we can go for the histogram matching concept, right? So it preserves the visual style or the brightness of the image. Normally, we use the concept of histogram matching for style normalization kind of task, or for remote sensing, right? Or for, you can say that, medical imaging standardization, or for data set normalization also, right? So histogram matching is useful when we want to unify the contrast level of group images, correct? So basically, histogram equalization is all about make the image use all gray levels evenly, and the concept of histogram matching is make the image look like that image. So histogram equalization is a special case of histogram matching. So where the target histogram is uniform, right? So that is a very short concept, and I hope that is clear to you all, right? So do stay tuned with us, guys. Like the video, subscribe the channel for more such knowledgeful sessions on computer vision and all the emerging technologies. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat to all of you.